Welcome back to Extreme Powerhouse. Today we're here to talk about the CSF Race-Spec Radiator for the BMW M2, M235, 335, and 435. This radiator is the perfect upgrade for any car enthusiast looking to improve their cooling system and optimize performance. It's designed with the highest quality materials and the latest technology to ensure your engine stays cool under even the most demanding conditions. One of the standout features of this radiator is its high-density, multi-louver fin design, which increases surface area and provides maximum heat transfer. Now, the radiator is also built with high-quality aluminum and features TIG welded tanks for added durability. In addition to its performance benefits, this radiator is also very easy to install. We'll be walking you through a step-by-step installation process in this video, so you can see just how simple it is to upgrade your cooling system. And please don't forget that when you buy from Extreme Powerhouse, you're getting the best prices and the highest quality products. Plus, we offer financing options so you can get the parts you need without breaking the bank. So if you're looking for an upgrade that will improve your car's performance and longevity, the CSF Race-Spec Radiator is definitely the way to go. Visit our website, www.x-ph.com, to place your order today and take the first step towards a better driving experience. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content from Extreme Powerhouse. All right guys, so as promised, we're here at the garage to demonstrate the step-by-step process of this installation, so follow me. So today's install is going to be on the 2014 335i BMW, and I'm really excited to see the finished product. Step 1. You will need to remove all necessary screws on the radiator support piece. This piece is located right over the OEM radiator, acting as a shield. Step 2. Once the piece is off, you will notice that the air intake is blocking your view and reach of the radiator as well as the fan. You will need to remove the air intake before proceeding to step 3. At this point in the install, our technician raised the car to make sure everything was in place before proceeding to the next step. This is not a mandatory part of the install. Step 3. Go ahead and remove the fan. Make sure to do this slowly to avoid any unnecessary breaks or bends. fan is out, you are able to replace the radiator with no hassle. Carefully remove the OEM radiator and slide the new one in place of it.